Good day, everyone. I'm Marigel Ferrer-Tayao from BSE 3N. I will be discuss the key concept, processes, and also tips on how to write an effective research paper. Writing an effective research paper requires careful planning and clear organization. So here are some essential tips to guide you. So choose a strong topic. Select a topic that is specific, relevant, and researchable, and it should align with your interest and academic goals while addressing a clear research problem. Conducting comprehensive research, use credible sources such as academic journal, books, and websites. So your thesis should be a concise, arguable claim that answer your research question, and it set the direction for your paper. And also create an outline. Outline helps you structure your paper logically. A typical structure includes introduction and methodologies. So I'm from group 31. So our research title, academic competency of a consistent Dean Lister in blended learning modality. So for our introduction, blended learning such as modernist and connectivity theories, which place a focus on the integration of technology, active learning, and cooperation serve as basis for blended learning. Studies show that knowledge including discipline adaptation, time management, and digital literacy are essential for students to succeed. The introduction of blended learning as a way to promote academic quality and accessibility is encouraged by legal regulations such as the Philippine Republic Act 10533, frequently known as the Enhanced Basic Education Act. So for our SOP, or statement of the problem, so the demographic profile of the respondent, the age, sex, general weighted average or GWA, and modality. Assumption of study, we have five to consider the studies. So first, respondent; second, student; third, blended learning; fourth, stronger connection; and last, the result of the study. So in academic competency, reflect the skill and behavior that contribute to the student academic success. Therein, it is the cognitive and academic skills and personal qualities of the Dean Lister. The two major review-related literature, the studies by Valora 2020 and Escalera Di Maculangan and Escalera 2019 highlight that the adaptive strategy and challenges faced by high-achieving students. And for Valora 2020 found that the Filipino student relied on both personal and academic resources to cope with the pandemic, demonstrating and resilience in maintaining emotional and academic stability. So meanwhile, Escalera 2019 examined the experience of honor student, revealing the balance between the rewards of academic success and the pressure of maintaining high performance. So their study emphasized the how this pressure intensified during crisis, aligning with the currently studies focus on the experience of consistent din lister. So in this particularly study a mixed method research methodology will be employed. This approach integrated both quantitative and qualitative methods, so provide a comprehensive understanding of the research problem. The quantitative aspect involved the collection numerical data to determine the influence of academic competency, including knowledge, attitude, and skills on the academic performance of consistent din lister. And the qualitative components explore the challenges encountered by students in the blended learning modality and their strategies overcome this challenge. This combination ensured that holistic analysis the research question. For our this respondent of the study, this study focuses on consistent din lister of Baao Community College, and this student we chosen because of their exceptional academic performance, making them well suited to provide valuable insight into their academic competency. The study employed a purposive sampling technique, meaning that the researcher intentionally selected participant based on a specific criteria rather than randomly choosing them. So the data was statistically treated with the use of frequency and percentage distribution of general weighted average, or GWA. So that's all for my discussion. Thank you.